Are you looking for the best sea salt sprays for men? If so, you have come to the right place. Choosing the right sea salt spray for men can be a daunting task, but it's one that's worth taking the time to do. Not only your skin feel better after using it, but you will also be helping to keep your hair healthy and looking its best. In this video, I will tell you top 6 best sea salt sprays available on the market, as well as which one is best for you. So keep watching this video. Number 6. Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray. Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray is a product that will help you look like a surfer dude. The matte finish and strong hold of the product will last all day long. It is perfect for use in the water or on land. Look like you just stepped onto shore with sexy, salty, wind-swept hair that lasts all day and night. This surf spray offers a matte finish and plenty of hold. So whether you are wrestling sharks or heading to dinner, you know you will look the part. This product adds texture and gives hair a natural, tousled, wavy look like sea salt from the ocean would at the beach. It isn't specially designed to address frizz, though depending on your texture, it could help some. This will diminish the volumizing effect somewhat, but if you want to run your fingers through your hair without getting snagged, it will need to be brushed first. Number 5. R+Co Rockaway Salt Spray. Rockaway Salt Spray is a texturizing sea salt spray that was created with specific hairstyle goals in mind. It's perfect for all hair types and can be used on both dry or oily scalps. Other ingredients in the spray give your hair volume and body, making it a great choice for any style. The hair care product contained high-quality ingredients that help increase hair volume and thickness while also protecting it from damage caused by free radicals. In addition to these beneficial properties, the product also included vitamins that help to revitalize, strengthen, and protect the hair against damage. If you love Death Valley or rodeo scent line stuff, this is a whole different ballgame. A little of the product goes a long way and it helps create volume while simultaneously smooths and make your hair feel a bit gritty. Number 4. Kick Sea Salt Spray. This alcohol-free formula from Kick is made for all hair types, but it's especially suited for anyone with a thick head of hair. Infused with sea salt, Epsom salt, kelp extract, and magnesium, this spray gives limp locks a boost and fends off frizz. This affordable sea salt spray offers a lightweight hold that will stay all day, even throughout your workout, but is flexible enough to be reworked whenever you want. Kick's proprietary formula works for all hair types and texture and can be applied when hair is wet or dry. The formula also includes UV protection and anti-fade technology that protects your hair's integrity and color even after spending weeks in the sun. And there's no need to worry about what's inside. Kick's sea salt spray is free of any harsh chemicals, parabens, and alcohols. This incredibly popular sea salt spray is beloved by men of all ages and hair types. Number 3. Ouai Wave Hair. Ouai is a hair care brand that's been created and marketed by celebrity hairstylist Jane Atkins. Jane has been named one of the most influential hairstylists in the world by the New York Times, so you can be sure her line of styling products will give you that effortlessly chic look every time. Ouai's Wave Hair Spray is a treatment that helps add body, shine, and texture to hair. It contains sea salt, rice protein, detoxifying volcanic materials, and rhodiola roseus extract. You can use it on wet or dry hair. You can also style your hair as you please. Created with rice protein instead of sea salt, their wave spray is safe for all hair types, even if color or keratin treated. Lightly mist on damp or dry hair about 10 inches from your head to enhance waves and add volumes, giving you the confidence to win life your ways. Number 2. Sachajuan Ocean Mist. Sachajuan's Ocean Mist is a professional hair care product that helps you recreate the feel of the beachy waves by using sea salt. This product is designed to keep your hair looking and feeling great after spending a day at the shore. Matte finish gives the appearance of dirty hair, are perfect for all hair types and conditions, and can be used on clean, damp hair to achieve a lived-in look. The formula adds texture, grip, and volume for a purposely messy dew. Plus, its versatile matte finish formula can be used on dry or damp hair and is suitable for all hair types. It gives the look and feel your hair gets after a day at the beach with sun and salt water. This non-sticky formula creates volume and structure and enhances the natural movement of the hair. The feel of it is more like beach sweat, which isn't always bad, just depends on the occasion. Number 1. Murdoch of London Sea Salt Spray. Murdoch of London has a sea salt spray that is perfect for anyone who wants to create waves all year round. It comes with a natural matte finish and provides lasting volume and texture. This hair care product is packed with natural ingredients that works together to help improve your hair's health. Grapefruit peel extract, coriander seed oil, and sweet orange peel extract are all included in the formula. Additionally, there is sea salt, which is free of potentially harsh and drying ingredients like sulfates, phthalates, parabens, and petrochemicals. It lets your hair move naturally, give it great texture, and is simply a great product. The scent of the spray is noticeable but not unpleasant. Something like a blast of citrus or orange. It's quite strong at the initial spray.